G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Here today we've got a little Subaru WRX STi. It's got this all full casting. The boot spoiler's all casting as well. It's still metal, so it's a nice little job. It's got all the proper race seats and all that sort of stuff inside. Part of a cage. We're not going to do any detailing to it today, but we've already drilled the base just to speed it up a bit. We're going to whack a set of these 4-slot, 4-point, 4-spoke Firestone Redline rims on. So we've already drilled the base, like we were mentioning. It says on here that it is a Subaru Impreza, not an WRX, or maybe it's an, I'm not up to speed with the which or when's the which, but anyway, someone might be able to correct me on that. That's it there. Alright, we've already drilled the base. Like I was saying, this is all metal, which is good. Some of the ones coming out now are plastic, ones that go through holes in the boot. So we'll drill the base, put that hanging off, otherwise it'll just zoom off while we've got it apart. Yeah, it's just a race interior it's got, no roll cage, it's got race seats, with plenty of detail. Let's just put the body up there, there it goes, the roll. It's got 5-point harness on the seats and that sort of stuff. And yeah, you can do a bit with it. It's tricky when the dashes don't fold out and they're all the one moulded piece, but anyway, it's all good. Got this one in this little car. I didn't purposely go out and buy this car. This little car coming amongst all the box of many others that I got. I got like probably 200 cars in the box. Alright, just quickly get onto this here. There, my little piggy tool. And here we go. Gently pull that up there. Same on there. Look at that. Easy as. You don't have them going flying across the room. Or worse off, land in the paint tin or onto another project you just painted, or so if I'm talking from past experience, yes. End up in a diorama you just finished. Yeah. So anyway, alright. Put those off. Just quickly run through here so it makes it a lot easier to push one in. Won't snap it off. Nearly did then. Just a little bit, pull it up. Same as here, just pull it up a little touch. I'm hoping I might not have to worry about trimming these reels. No, doesn't look like it, which is a good thing. Bam, straight in, like that. Oh, that. Push them down, push the spikes back down. And remember I said you can do that with a bit of heat. In case you end up deciding I'm going to do something else to this, I won't push them right down at the moment, because no doubt I will. Get that off there. No doubt I will do something else to it. Do all the headlights and all the other stuff that needs doing. That sort of stuff. Alright. Okay. Well, lucky I'm not in the workshop now, eh? In the real workshop, I mean. Putting the back and the front and the back. I don't know what the situation's going to be. There we go. How that clicked together. So tightly drilled it out. But by that I mean oversized drilling the holes. There we go. There's a quick little swap over. That looks a lot better than those that were on there. I'll repurpose those wheels because they're complete with the axles. If not, we cut the axles down and repeen the end anyway. But that's what the little Subaru came out like. So yeah, imagine just what a set of wheels will make a difference to a car. But they look pretty hot on there. I reckon they suit the car fairly well. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll come back with another quick swap on another little job. Take care.